Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, and in this video, we will be diving into the world of stock images, videos, and music. We'll be sharing 4 amazing websites that offer an impressive array of assets for your projects. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first stop is Pexels, a go-to destination for high-quality stock photos and videos. Pexels boasts an extensive library of royalty-free images and videos that you can use for personal and commercial projects without worrying about copyright issues. The best part? It's completely free to use, and you won't even need to sign up with an account. To access Pexels, simply visit their website at pexels.com. Once there, you can explore their vast collection by browsing categories, searching for specific keywords, or even exploring curated collections. Pexels makes it incredibly easy to find the perfect visual elements for your projects. When you find an image or video you like, you can download it in various sizes or resolutions to suit your needs. You can see that the photos and videos on their website are free to use for your personal and professional projects. Next up, we have Pixabay, another popular platform for high-quality stock images, videos, illustrations, sound effects, music, and vector graphics. Pixabay is known for its user-friendly interface and vast collection of free-to-use assets contributed by a global community of talented creators. I use this website mostly for searching up royalty-free music and sound effects. Getting started with Pixabay is a breeze. Just head over to pixabay.com and start exploring. You can search for specific images or browse through different categories to find exactly what you need. Just type in the keyword of the music that you're looking for, and once you find it, just click the download button. With photos and videos, Pixabay offers a wide range of resolutions, giving you flexibility in choosing the right size for your projects. Attribution is not required, but it is appreciated. Now, let's dive into the world of video with Videezy. If you're looking for high-quality stock footage, this is the place to be. Videezy hosts a vast collection of royalty-free videos, motion graphics, and even After Effects templates that can elevate your video projects to the next level. To explore Videezy, visit 6deezy.com and start browsing their extensive video library. You can search for specific categories, keywords, or even filter by resolution and aspect ratio to find the perfect clips for your projects. Once you find the ideal video, you can download it in various resolutions and formats. Remember to check the licensing details for any specific requirements or attributions. Most of the videos on Videezy are available for free, but some of those will need you to give attribution to the uploader. Last, but certainly not least, we have MixKit, a treasure trove of free, high-quality music tracks and sound effects for your projects. MixKit is the perfect solution when you're looking to add that extra audio flair to your videos, podcasts, or other creative endeavors. To access MixKit's extensive stock library, head over to mixkit.co. There, you'll find a wide range of music genres and styles to suit various moods and project themes, and also some stock videos. Type in the keyword of the video that you want to look for, and once you find your favorite one, you can choose the quality of the video and download it onto your device. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel with stock footage combining with free AI tools, check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And if you're interested in similar videos, make sure to check out this video here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.